welcome you here. We are home. Bless the drink in Jesus' name. Come, Holy Spirit, we welcome you here. Levy, you're gonna need what do you call it? A straw. Can you go get yourself a straw from the drawer, please? Oh, wait. Found it. There you go.
Oh my fire, oh my fire,
Come, Holy Spirit, we welcome you here. Hold on. Mama's gonna do this. I know you're hungry, but you gotta hold on. Mama's gonna cut this off for you.
oh my fire, oh my fire, oh Holy Spirit,
All right.
we welcome you, Lord. Oh my fire, oh my fire, oh Holy Spirit, we welcome you,
Let's hold on.
Lord. Oh my fire,
Come, Holy Spirit, we welcome you here.
oh my fire, oh my fire, oh Holy Spirit, we welcome
Yes, sir. Good.
you.
There's a drink. So, do you want the sauce? Awesome. I'm gonna get your sauce. The sauce that we have here is right here. I might have a couple of ketchup right there, but you need your chicken sauce. Mama has that sauce. Now a couple of them. Alright. So it likes has Zaxby's sauce. So here you go. I'm not gonna sit over there and eat that. The fries. I mean, you want the sauce?
No.
Demi doesn't like Zaxby's sauce.
Oh, this is so hot.
It is hot. It's hot food, baby.
Oh, this is a hand.
This is Zoe's plate. Right there. And that's Lily's. I always cut it up for them before they eat. So yeah. Now it's time for me to open up my. I got some fries on the side for me. It's right there. Oh. That's a little bit of fries. The kids got some cookies. But the food I'm excited to eat is this one. I got some Asian, because we stopped at the Eat More Asian restaurant at Namdae Moon restaurant, and I got the Asian short rib soup. It is so amazing. If you've never tried it, you need to try it. I haven't tried the short ribs barbecue yet. I could have tried it today, but I wanted to eat this soup again because the first time I tried it, it was really freaking amazing. So I had to get it today. I'm gonna eat it today again. And I told them to switch out my steamed broccoli for some rice, some side of rice. So put that right there. I have my fork, I have my spoon, and I also have my chopsticks. But chopsticks, like I don't know how to use chopsticks that well, so I don't even worry to use it. Oh my goodness, this food looks so delicious. I'll show you guys the soup. It's amazing. White rice, No, these people messed up my order, but it's okay because the main thing I wanted was this. They messed up my order. They did, but it's fine. It's fine. I like rice, so fine. Let me show you that. So this is my short rib soup. It's freaking amazing. Look at that. And that's my rice. I'm supposed to have a side of rice and a side of kimchi, but they gave me 2 sides of rice. So this is so good. And it's hot. I need some rice. I like rice. Plain old white rice. It's supposed to come with some sauce, but this is good. So good. Debbie, you want to try it?
No.
I don't know what this is, but it tastes good.
Mama, I jerked my power right.
Good. This is hot. I love it. Not spicy, but hot, hot. Wow. So amazing. Next part is to get the meat. You can't eat it without having to eat the meat. The big bite of meat. A big bone. You want some?
Yeah.
All right, let me give you some. Here you go. No, eating your chicken. Do you know how to eat bone? I do. I make sure you strip. You get all the meat from it. Very delicious. You can put them on the side. I've got as much as I could get from it. But yeah, this food is so freaking amazing. So amazing. I said this has become like my favorite Asian meal. See, I got a big chunk of meat right here. I wish I had some kimchi on the side though. You know what I mean? So amazing. Levy, do you want more fries?
Yes.
All right, Mama has some fries for you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. This food is so delicious. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can't see my plate. There's some more rice over here. Gotta eat some rice. That is so good. Come on, me. I love food. Especially tasty food. So amazing. Man, so good. Well, anyways, you guys, I want to encourage you once again, if you've never tried Korean soup before, go try it. Korean short rib soup. Or just any soup, because this is the one that I'm eating right now. It's Korean short rib soup. It is amazing. Amazing. Try it out. Come back and tell me your experience. I'd like to know. You can tell me on Instagram what your experience is, but it's so good. Hey, high five. So amazing. Thank you all for watching. You guys are amazing. I'll see you all in the next video. Love what you eat. Eat with joy. Excuse me. Enjoy eating. If you want to enjoy a meal, enjoy it. Don't count calories. Don't count calories. Eat your food. But this food is amazing. Amazing. I'm talking to the people who eat meat now. If you don't eat meat, I think Asians have like a variety of different food that you can try. So, anyways, you guys, I will talk to you later. Bye, wonderful, amazing, sweet, and lovely people. I will see you now later. Was it yummy?
Yes.
Maybe I tore it up. So we're still eating.
Come on.
Debbie, come clean your plate. You gotta take your plate, remember? Good job. There you go, my baby. Good job. That's my son. And my sweet daughter is still eating. That's my sweet genius right there. And sweet genius 2. 1 and 2. So blessed. Alrighty.